Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to remove odd indexed characters in a string. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this defines a function named remove odd indexed chars and that takes a string as input and removes the character at odd indices. Now in the next line, this is a doc string that describes the function that what it does. It removes the character at odd indices from the given string and the string to be processed so that a new string with the only character at even indices is printed. Now we will see the logic to remove odd indexed character as this uses the Python slicing mechanism to return a new string with only even indexed character. That input string in the first block it takes start and in the second it takes end and in the third it takes steps. This is the general slicing format in Python. So in the starting index defaults to 0 and at ending index defaults to the end of the string and step size determines how many indices to skip. So here this start index at 0 skips every second character effectively including only even indexed characters. Now we will see the main program. Here, this ensures that the following code executes only if the script is run directly, not if it is imported as a module. Now, here in the next line, this prompts the user to enter a string and stores it in the variable input string. And in the next line, this calls the remove odd index char function with the user input string and the result new string with odd index character removed is stored in the variable result. And here in the last line, this print the results to the console. So let's check this program. As I'm entering a string as Python. So string after removing odd indexed characters gives PTO. So thanks for watching this video.